Hey, I'm going to blow your mind with a crazy trick that will let you disable all ads on your iPhone even if you have a cellular data. Yes, you heard me right, no more annoying pop-up banner or redirects when you browse the web or use some apps. But wait, there's a catch. This trick will not work on your TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook or any other social media apps. But why? Because these apps have their own way of showing ads that are not affected by the ad blocker. So if you're looking for a way to get rid of those ads, sorry to break it to you, but you're out of luck. There's no magical solution that can block all ads on your iPhone. So why did I say I will show you how to disable all ads on your iPhone? Well, I said that to inform you that it is impossible to do that. So you can save some time and stop searching for methods like these. Trust me, I have tried all of them and none of them worked. But don't worry, there's still a way to block most of the ads on your iPhone. And that's what I'm going to show you in this video. So let's begin. Alright, so before we begin, I want to show you some examples so you can believe me. Here I have a game that has a lot of ads inside. And as you can see, we have got ads popping up in this game already, taking up our precious screen space and interrupting our gameplay. Annoying, right? But wait, it's not just games or apps. I also have a website over here that is also filled with ads, and they are everywhere. If you're also facing the same issues, then let's dive into the solution together and get rid of all these stupid ads. To begin, open up Safari and then search for Flow Buddy Info and tap on Go. Click on the first website. Now in this website, click on the search bar and type all ads. Now click on the first post. Scroll down until you find the AdGuard DNS profile. Now click on the download icon. Allow. Close. Once downloaded, head over to your settings. You will see a profile downloaded waiting for you. So what are you waiting for? Click on it. Then install. Fill up the passcode if needed. Install. Install again. And then click on done. And you are done. Congratulations, you have just equipped your iPhone with a very powerful ad blocking shield. Go ahead and test it out. I'm going to open the same game and the website and show you the difference. So as you can see, I'm not even getting a single ad while I'm playing this game compared to before. Isn't it incredible? Now I'm gonna open up the website and show you that I'm also not getting any ads on the same website that I used to get a lot of them. So, if you enjoyed this video and found it informative, don't forget to give me a follow. I spent a lot of time making this video, so one like will be more than enough. And I'll see you again, probably, maybe,